Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most common skincare concerns, blackheads. But fear not. We're going to tackle this issue without any harsh chemicals. But before we get started, I have something special for you. If you're looking to up your makeup game, check out 100 Makeup Tips PDF book. It's jam-packed with amazing tips and tricks to enhance your beauty routine. You can find the link in the description box below. Now, let's talk about blackheads. These pesky little dots can really put a damper on your complexion, but there are gentle ways to keep them at bay. First things first, cleanse your skin regularly with a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser. This will help remove dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Next up, exfoliation is key. But instead of reaching for harsh scrubs, opt for products with gentle exfoliating agents like salicylic acid or fruit enzymes. These help unclog pores without irritating your skin. After cleansing and exfoliating, it's important to hydrate your skin. Look for lightweight, oil-free serums that won't clog your pores but will provide ample hydration. Another great way to prevent blackheads is by steaming your face. Simply fill a bowl with hot water, place a towel over your head, and allow the steam to open up your pores. This makes it easier to remove any trapped dirt and oil. Last but not least, never skip sunscreen. Sun damage can exacerbate blackheads and other skin issues, so make sure to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day. So there you have it, lovelies. By following these simple steps, you can keep blackheads at bay without resorting to harsh chemicals. And don't forget to check out 100 Makeup Tips PDF book for even more beauty inspiration. Links are in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.